People say you need to be born with talent and start young to have a creative career. But let's be real, that's a total myth. Today, I'm here to prove that anyone can step into the world of architectural design, unleash their creativity, and make great money doing it. My name is Daniel, and today I will walk you through a course careers Architectural Drafting Bootcamp review. I think you'll love it, because this program proves just how easy it can be to kickstart a brand new career. In this video, I will break down everything you need to know about this bootcamp, from its biggest benefits to a deep dive into each section. You'll discover exactly what you'll learn, what you'll gain after graduation, and the job opportunities waiting for you. Guys, make sure you check out all the useful links in the description after watching this video. There might be some nice discounts there. Sounds exciting? Let's dive in. Overview. Alright guys, I know what you're thinking. Another bootcamp, just like all those mediocre courses floating around the internet? Fair enough. We've all seen our share of low-quality content. But let me tell you, Course Careers is different. And I'm not here to hype it up. I'm here to give you the facts. First off, this course is laser-focused on getting you job-ready. No fluff, no unnecessary theory, just practical training that employers actually seek. You'll start with basic terminology and blueprint reading, then work your way up to mastering advanced drafting software. Along the way, quizzes and exercises will help reinforce what you've learned, ensuring you've truly nailed each topic. What's important, after graduation, you won't be limited to just one role. The job opportunities are diverse. If you're more drawn to the technical side of drafting, you could become a CAD and BIM technician. But if you're passionate about designing comfortable, functional spaces, the interior design path might be the perfect fit for you. All of these jobs are in high demand and, surprisingly, very popular among the younger generation. They offer the perfect balance of creativity and a solid income. Think about it. You'll have the skills to apply for $50,000 jobs in just a few weeks. Do you need any special software or materials to complete the course? Not really, just AutoCAD. Luckily, new users get a 15-day free trial. So if you study fast, you won't have to spend a dime. But even if you do, the cost is pretty affordable. That's it. As long as you have a laptop to watch lessons and complete exercises, you're all set for the bootcamp. I cannot help but say a few words about your instructor. You'll be learning from Edward Foster, a specialist with over a decade of hands-on experience. In 2018, he launched the TD Vision U YouTube channel to share his passion with a global audience. His deep expertise and dedication to teaching guarantee an incredible learning experience. The real icing on the cake, Course Careers doesn't just train you, it helps you land the job. They know that becoming a pro is just the first step. The real goal is getting hired. That's why you'll get expert guidance on everything, from crafting a standout resume to mastering interview techniques. Content. Guys, before we move on, I try to make my content fun instead of boring. And in return, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy the content I make. Now, my friends, let's break down exactly how this bootcamp is structured, so you know exactly what to expect when you jump in. The program is divided into 7 sections, designed to help you master the profession in just 6 to 12 weeks. Here they are. Welcome to Drafting. Here you will build a solid foundation by mastering visualization and spatial reasoning. Your instructor will guide you through interpreting architectural drawings and understanding key drafting standards. Think of this section as your map, giving you a broad perspective on architectural drafting. Getting started with AutoCAD. Welcome to Section 2, your introduction to industry-leading software. You'll get familiar with the interface, understand basic commands, and learn how to use its powerful tools. Pretty exciting, right? You're on your way to becoming a pro in one of the most sophisticated programs out there, AutoCAD. Even if you can barely picture it now, basic CAD techniques. This section takes your CAD skills to the next level. You'll start with basic drawing techniques and then dive into hatching, gradients, regions, and wipeouts, the core elements of architectural drafting. You'll also master modification tools and learn how to customize your workspace for a more efficient workflow. These must-have skills will ensure that every drawing you create is precise and professional. Advanced CAD techniques. In this part, you'll explore powerful features like layers, block references, and dynamic blocks. You'll also learn about key elements such as field texts and external references. Mastering these tools is essential for handling real-world projects, no matter who your client is. Annotations and dimensions. Guys, are you getting tired of all the technical terms? I hope not, because they are key to truly understanding this program. Section 5 is all about annotations and dimensions, critical elements in any drafting project. You'll learn how to work with annotative objects, scale drawings, create precise dimensions, and prepare layouts for professional presentations. sharing, and collaboration. Just as important as mastering AutoCAD and creating drawings is learning how to collaborate and work as a team. In Section 6, you'll gain the skills to share projects with contractors and clients effectively. Every professional needs a bit of a salesperson's touch, and this is where you'll learn how to show and sell your expertise. Interview and job search. Finally, the last section of the bootcamp ensures you are ready to take your new skills to the market. You'll get invaluable job search guidance, craft a standout resume, and gain expert tips to ace your interviews. If you think that's the end, think again. Course Careers bootcamps never really stop. You'll walk away with a strong professional network of peers, instructors, and coaches. Plus, you'll have a certificate, a shareable profile, and everything you need to land your first job. And there you have it, my friends. With Course Careers, you're not just learning drafting. You are strategically preparing yourself for a successful career. Pricing. So like I said, Course Careers offers a few free courses as an introduction, but if you want to complete the bootcamp, you'll have to pay. If you decide to do that, there are two options for you. The first one implies 4 bi-weekly payments, without any hidden fees. The second one is one-time payment for the entire bootcamp. It helps you save some money compared to the first option. You also get a 14-day refund guarantee with no questions asked, which basically means that during 14 days after you purchase the course, you can cancel it and easily get your money back. And once you've crushed it and become a Course Careers grad, you'll get a certificate of completion to show off your new skills. You can add it to your resume and LinkedIn profile and let employers know you're ready to hit the ground running as an entry-level professional. Career opportunities. I think that when it comes to career opportunities, Course Careers really stands out among other online education platforms. This program isn't just about helping you get that dream job. It's also about setting you up for success once you're in. With a bunch of people already making the leap and scoring solid paychecks, it's clear this program delivers the goods. But remember, it's not some magic pill. You'll still need to hustle, polishing your resume, getting your LinkedIn game on point, and most importantly, networking your heart out. Put in the effort though, and this program can give you a serious edge. What really makes Course Careers stand out is how it's built as a job pipeline. They team up with companies on the hunt for pros, meaning you're already on their radar once you finish the program. It's a win-win. Companies save cash on training, and you get a jumpstart with skills tailored to their needs. Is the Course Careers Architectural Drafting Bootcamp worth it? Okay, my friends, now there is just one big question left. Is the Course Careers Architectural Drafting Bootcamp really worth it? Will it lead to success and job satisfaction? Let's find out by quickly recapping everything we have covered. I bet you remember the curriculum, but do you remember that graduates can start earning a solid $50,000 salary right after getting their certificates? That's the reality. In just 6 to 12 weeks, you'll go through an intensive learning process led by experienced instructors. By the end, you'll be fully prepared to create in-demand architectural projects that clients are ready to pay for. So, if you are willing to put in the effort, this program will definitely be worth it. And if you're still on the fence, you can start with the free introductory course. No risk, no pressure. The choice is yours. Alright guys, that's all about the Course Careers Architectural Drafting Bootcamp review. Feel free to check out the course-related links in the description below. You might find some discounts there. As usual, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, until next time!